Mayana ahurira Pierre yagambe kintu na buri bakazi babuza muri wamwira karuru.
Rwanda District Woman MP and Commissioner of Parliament, Honorable Porcia Kabale has called for unity and resilience among Christians to strengthen families and improve household incomes. She made these remarks as she had joined hundreds of Christians at Kakore-Rugambwa Parish in Kabale Diocese to mark the emerald anniversary of the parish's 50 years and the Parish Day of Our Lady of the Holy Rosary. The celebration, held with great joy and devotion at Kakore-Rugambwa Parish grounds, was presided over by the Kabale Diocese Vicar General, Monsignor John Vian Sandi, who led the Mass. Addressing the congregation, Honorable Porcia urged Christians to reject political hatred and refrain from spreading malicious information among voters.
Obutosha okukolera abantu banje ntarashorora nibwo bweto gwanje ndaza kukwatanisa nimwe ndabashaba obuhagizi bwanyu abantu baraza kubagambira byinji nandi kubuza hariya Pierre tusitami namugira nti Pierre kwine ka message akwansindikirijo ebikota bingambi hariho umuntu worashangara abayine cyarafa nawe ko muntu konka baraza kwijo murimwe nyabura yayijaga ari kunshisha omubuzo ti professor afakinawe echanje ndabashabo buhagizi ndabashabeshara habwo kuba muri byone biturakora mukamaruhanganiwe mukuru mwe bare kunkunda.
Her message, emphasizing peace and harmony within the community, resonated with Christians. She highlighted that unity among families is essential for fostering household development and achieving greater social and economic well-being. Honorable Porcia encouraged Christians to focus on building strong, united households to secure a prosperous future.
Ndakushaboye muze hino muntu inarindi turi kwega nyo ndakira kuza mu kosi za maka kugira ngo naye hagire binaye bwaha bwo kuba maka kigakorobagaho mbone hino muntu watuburize kibuzo yatubuza ati mwe nk'abakazi wayereba katugire ngo rumushijo rabasa kwetasa yatugira interior akora muka yawe wayereba urabasa kwetasa buza mugenzi wawe otiwe koko rereba na munonga bari mu makabata rabana banje oyi urabasa kwetasa naho gecho amakanka chega kandi nachikwata no kusasirana no kukorera hamwe kandi tukagenda.
Honorable Porcia also urged parents to prioritize their children's education and consider their overall well-being, as this would ensure long-term family success. She highlighted the significance of investing in education as a key factor in shaping prosperous futures.
Tushome bitabo bitu nyabura nabyo nenda kubashaba bazire bajyaha obwegese n'ekintu kikuru munonga kandi obwegese buratandikira muka yawe.
During his sermon, Monsignor John Vian Sandi called upon families to work together for collective development, care for one another, and put God at the center of their lives. He asked the congregation to shun behaviors that could lead to family breakups and instead build relationships based on love and understanding.
Okuruhanga yatereho omukazi kugira ngo abo muhwezi wo mushija konka no mushija no muhwezi wo mukazi bona ni barererana bariho ahabwo burunje bwa bombi tikuri kugira ngo bariho ahabwo burunje bwonka kushe ni ahabwo burunje bwa bombi asa omumakaga kugira ngo wabaho no burunje bwa bombi echoko banza mushemere kufanaho. Care for each other. Care for each other. Murebererane. Mureke kujyabagurana. Mureke kumocherana omumaka. Omushinja yayikomuka abantu bakaza omukitengo. Ahabwo kuba nibamumanya nko mu muci.
The celebrations included a fundraising event aimed at raising funds for the completion of the parish's business complex. Honorable Prosi contributed 100 bags of cement, adding to the 300 bags she had previously donated to support the project.
Za sementi elizoba na ijana zindi shahigana za sementi kanda kamoto kakakali hayakijire gama mukuru ijo kalebe hako kuba nico wanshabire na kurizo cyo kuretera wanjiro to ijo kamoto ka ijo kalebe mwana wa baba wajireba akamoto kakakaliya eshaho za wigana za sementi zona nazisha. Amina.
Compiled by Mary Mishimwe and Norbert Nyamhachi for Kigezi Television.